This video is sponsored by Squarespace. Hello and welcome back to my channel. After being away for Christmas, celebrating New Year, getting sick, and still working on a lot of sewing projects in between, my home ended up completely upside down. When my space is messy, my head feels messy too. So today I'm doing what I like to call a creativity reset, a day or two of cleaning, organizing, and making my home feel calm again. Finding comfort in a clean and organized space really changes how I move through my day, and I hope this video gives you a little motivation to do the same, in whatever way feels right for you. Something I've noticed is how cleaning and organizing videos are almost always made by women doing everything. I want to believe that male partners do house chores just as much, even if they are not always in front of the camera, hopefully. But I also think it's important to show and normalize shared responsibility at home, especially after Christmas, after seeing our mothers, aunts and grandmas doing everything while most men are just chilling. I'm not saying that happens in every family, but it definitely happens, and it feels important to show another way. So, today's co-star of the video is my partner Eneko, as we share the house chores equally. We have the whole day to finally take care of all those tasks that have been waiting far too long. Here's the list. We'll see how much we manage to get done, but let's get to it. I like to start with a general organization. Putting everything back in its place feels almost meditative to me. I do this every morning too. It quiets my mind, slows me down and helps me reset. It's a simple act, but it gives me a sense of clarity and grounding before moving on with the rest of the day. Before we continue, let me quickly update you about my website, which will be live very soon. I'm building it on Squarespace because it makes designing everything so intuitive and calm. I use it to host my portfolio, organize my content and share updates, all without needing technical knowledge. Everything from layouts to fonts and colors is easy to customize, so the website still feels very me. And if you're unsure where to start, Squarespace has a library of professionally designed templates for every use, all fully flexible. If you've been thinking about creating your own website for your creative work, a small business, or just a personal space online, Squarespace is a great place to start. You can try it for free, and when you're ready to launch, go to squarespace.com/estelsogo to save 10% off your first website or domain. Thanks so much to Squarespace for sponsoring this video. It's time to take off some of the Christmas decorations. I don't have many, but clearing visual noise really helps me reset mentally too. Look how little space my DIY Christmas tree uses once it's folded. I also have to take down the crochet stars. There aren't many anymore because Momo likes to take them down himself. Anyway, this is how I install them on the wall. It's just a clip and tape, and I glued magnets into the stars. My desk is full with hidden fabric leftovers from past projects. I keep leaving them for later, and later never came. Let's organize it and store it with the rest of the fabrics as I should have done in the beginning. By the way, if you're enjoying this kind of meditative, cozy cleaning and organizing content, I share similar videos for my members. They are longer, more quiet, and with no talking at all. It's a really calm space where we just work slowly on my projects while keeping you company. If that sounds like something you would enjoy, you're very welcome to join. Meanwhile, Eneko is taking care of the dust. I'm allergic, so this is usually his task, and also changing Momo's sandbox.
Was it all just a dream, just all in my head? Floating rivers upstream, the things that you said. Tell me and be honest, tell me, did you know that you would believe in me just like the winners know? Tell me and be honest, tell me, should I've known that you'd believe in me? just like the winter snow. Tell me and be honest. Tell me, should I know that you'd believe in me? So painfully quiet and slow. I try my best to move on, letting go. Tell me, should I know? Just tell me and be honest. Tell me, did you know that you would be leaving me just like the winter snow? Tell me and be honest. Tell me, should I've known that you'd believe in me? So painfully quiet and slow. Tell me, did you know that you would be leaving me just like the winter snow? Tell me, should I know? Tell me, should I know that you'd believe in me? So painfully quiet and slow. I try my best to move on, to let go.
While Eneko is taking care of the laundry, I'm going to cook lunch. On cleaning days, I always crave a good bowl of noodles. Well, every day I crave noodles. These are my spicy gochujang noodles. Super comforting. I can make them with any vegetable we have in the fridge. Today I'm using mushrooms, green beans and vegan chicken. And the sauce is made with gochujang, some curry korma, soya sauce and tomato. I also use peanut oil, some water and of course noodles. We've had some rest after lunch and now it's time to close the cleaning day with the floors. Cleaning won't solve everything, but for me it really helps clear space, both around me and inside my head. sharing a home, sharing responsibilities, and creating an environment that supports creativity is very important to me. Otherwise, I wouldn't be able to make these videos. And it wouldn't be possible without you either. So thank you so much for being here, and I hope this video gave you a bit of motivation to pursue comfort in your life, in whatever form that takes. Next week I'm going to declutter my wardrobe, so follow along if you want to see it. Adeu!